I am Yersinia Pestis. I am a gram-negative bacteria responsible for a deadly plague. I am a non-motile, non-sporulated, aerobic, gram-negative bacillus exhibiting a hairpin morphology after gram staining and growing within 24 to 72 hours at a temperature range of 4 to 40 degrees Celsius. I am a zoonotic disease, meaning I am an infection that is spread between animals and humans. I can be found in the Americas, Africa, Europe, and Asia. Where do I live? I can be found in contaminated soil. I may also reside in protozoa, including amoeba. It is suspected that I am able to engage in intracellular interactions with protozoan cyst and blue-green algae, thus supporting long-term preservation in the soil. I also make my home in over 200 species of mammals, rodents especially. How do I reproduce? I am an obligate parasite, which means I cannot reproduce without a host. Rodents are my primary host, and I spread amongst rodents by a flea bite. I depend on the flea-borne transmission route to survive and multiply. How do you supply your energy needs? When I am a host, I am non-mobile. However, when I am isolated, I am motile. I use aerobic respiration and anaerobic fermentation to produce and consume hydrogen gas for energy. I am also covered in a slime envelope, which is heat labile. How do you interact with your environment and other species? I alternate between flea vector and mammalian host. I maintain my existence by cycling between rodents and fleas. I interact with humans by infecting them with a bite from an infected flea. How do you infect your host? Once again, I am caused by the bite of an infected flea. Once my host has been bitten, I enter through the bite and travel through the lymphatic system. I can also infect hosts if they inhale contaminated aerosols or if they touch infected soil. Sometimes I even infect my host if they come into direct contact with infected animal tissue.